Hello, my name is Sean, and today we're making breadsticks. First, you'll need to make a waffle maker, like this. It can look like anything you want, and today it's going to look like that. Get a grown-up to plug it in for you. First, back 4 eggs into the bowl, and I already have one. So let's just do 3. It won't take very long. Next, you want to mix them together with a whisk. Next, you want to add almond flour. Next, add garlic powder. Next, add baking soda. Now mix. Next, add mozzarella cheese and mix again. Next, we're going to put this in the waffle maker. And then you get another scoop and dump it in. Now wait 15 minutes. And when they get out the waffle maker, they're supposed to look like this, and then we cut them into breadsticks. Look. Ta-da! And now, my favorite sauce is pizza sauce. So I'll dip it in the pizza sauce. Let's see how it tastes. It can taste good if you taste as good as you think. It'll taste pretty good. But I know it doesn't have bread in it. That's alright. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it.